Great teams don't just happen. They're built with purpose. Welcome to Team Building for Managers by PeuNeo, a focused, practical course designed to help leaders turn groups of individuals into motivated, high-performing teams. We start with team dynamics, understanding personality types, work styles, and what truly drives collaboration. You'll learn how to balance strengths, identify gaps, and create an environment where everyone contributes. Next, we dive into communication and trust, the foundation of every strong team. You'll practice active listening, clear delegation, and constructive feedback that builds connection instead of conflict. We'll explore motivation and engagement, how to recognize effort, celebrate progress, and keep your team inspired through change. You'll discover simple ways to boost morale, from one-on-one check-ins to creative recognition ideas that cost nothing but mean everything. Then we focus on problem-solving and decision-making, guiding teams through challenges using proven models like the 5 Whys and consensus mapping. You'll learn how to handle disagreement, turn friction into innovation, and keep the group focused on results. Finally, we look at team development planning, setting goals, tracking progress, and sustaining collaboration beyond the workshop or project. You'll receive practical tools, a team health checklist, a delegation planner, and feedback templates you can use right away. Whether you're leading your first small team or managing an entire department, this course helps you strengthen relationships, increase accountability, and create a culture of trust and shared success. Empower your people, strengthen your leadership, enroll in Team Building for Managers, and build teams that work, grow, and win together.